Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I am trying to kill all mosquitoes in our yard, and this Fiveye Bug Zapper has been helping. This thing is a beautiful blue light that attracts all those bugs around your yard, and it zaps them so good. I'll let you hear what it sounds like. It's kind of a satisfying sound, but if it's not killing bugs, it is completely silent, which is very nice. It is electric, so you do have to plug it in. It also has a nice little night light on the bottom, so if you want to turn that on, there's a power switch. And to clean this is very easy. The bugs all drop to the bottom. You just unscrew it, and you will find tons and tons of dead bugs, which is kind of gross, but also kind of cool. I am super, super impressed with how many bugs were flying around this. Every single time I plug it in, I can leave it on for a couple hours, and that whole tray at the bottom is completely full of bugs. So it really does do a great job of attracting them and then zapping them. This has been super nice because nothing ruins a nice evening outside quicker than a swarm of mosquitoes all attacking you and your family. But that's no longer a problem for this household, thanks to Five Eye. But that's just my point of view.